Nothing incites a more heated debate than astrology. It's one of the few topics beyond politics and religion where you'll find such polarizing views. But why is this? Why is such an innocuous thing responsible for equal admiration and loathing? Take a look while scrolling through social media, TikTok, Instagram, what have you, and you will be inundated by a surplus of bubblegum astrology accounts. Zodiac racism may be a term that you're familiar with, and that could very well be the basis for your entire opinion of astrology. And honestly, I can't blame you. For instance, you may see a video saying, "I'm a Sagittarius. I absolutely do not get along with Taurus." And that unfortunately makes people of one sign completely disregard the sign of another. But this is not true astrology. This is made up bullshit used to harvest clicks and ad revenue. Astrology is not a platform by which we discriminate others, nor is it a justification for our bad behavior, but rather, it is a way to better understand ourselves and the world around us, and also how to navigate between the two. Astrology has ancient roots and was developed in multiple parts of the ancient world, separate from one another, through the Western and Eastern world, respectively. I won't delve too deeply in this video of the history of astrology, but it has existed alongside the infancy of the Bronze Age in Mesopotamia, and perhaps even before, though, of course, that was before the advent of the written word. Though astrology was initially created not so much as a way to understand our individual selves, but rather to chart future events based on planetary alignments, we have a surplus of astrology sub-practices: Babylonian, Hellenistic, Decanic, Han, Vedic, to name a few. It wasn't until the Age of Enlightenment astrology was dismissed as pseudoscience. This ironically coincides with a stark decline in women's rights and the persecution of anything perceived as witchcraft, including midwifery. But that's not the point of my video. What is more controversial than astrology? The notion that astrology is an equally valid soft science alongside philosophy and psychology. Astrology, true astrology, is based in hard math and astronomy. How fascinating is it that an ancient science has been reduced down to hackery? The planets, incomprehensibly mammoth, have zero bearing on our reality, but yet other things are readily accepted as fundamental interactions. The moon controls the tides. The tilt of our beloved Earth dictates our seasons. The sun is responsible for the very passage of time. What a folly it is to believe the other planets in our solar system play no equal part as well. Such a thing it is to wonder. We look at the night sky, and again, we look in the mirror, and in both instances, we are trying to find meaning. No matter your stance, be you a skeptic, an expert, or novice, I invite you to come along on our journey learning about the wonders of astrology and ourselves and the world around us.